It is normal for babies to resist solid foods at first. This can be a tough time for parents, but with a few simple strategies, you can help your baby feel more comfortable with eating solids. Start with small amounts of food, offering just a teaspoon or two to avoid overwhelming your baby. Gradually increase the portion size as they become more comfortable with eating solids. This slow approach helps build their interest and confidence in trying new foods. Use a high chair to create a designated eating space for your baby, making mealtime feel special. This helps them focus on the food and encourages positive associations with eating. The Graco Slim Snacker High Chair is designed for easy feeding, featuring a full-size tray with a cup holder and 3 recline positions for comfortable meals. Its fast, one-handed fold and compact design make it perfect for any space, while the wipeable seat pad ensures quick cleanups after mealtime. Allow your baby to explore food by letting them touch, smell, and play with it. This hands-on experience can spark their curiosity and make them more willing to try new tastes. Introduce different types of foods to keep mealtime exciting for your baby. Start with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and proteins to expose them to new flavors and textures. Rotate these options regularly and discover what they enjoy most. If you do not sit in front of your baby during mealtime, they might feel less engaged and may not be interested in the food. Sitting in front of your baby helps create a connection and encourages interaction. Your presence can make them feel more comfortable and engaged with the food. Use a shallow spoon to make it easier for your baby to eat. It helps control portion sizes and is simple for them to manage. This can make mealtime less messy and more fun. The Ola Baby Training Spoon helps babies learn self-feeding and supports the transition to solids, featuring a ribbed stem for a secure grip. Inspired by nature, it looks like a sprout and leaf and flexes easily for both purees and solid foods. Encourage your baby to pick up food themselves to promote self-feeding. Offer pieces that are easy to grasp, like soft fruits or cooked veggies. This hands-on approach helps build their confidence and interest in eating. Be patient as your baby explores new foods. Keep offering a variety of options and enjoy this fun journey together. If you are worried about their eating, talk to your pediatrician for support.